So today we are going to draw the human digestive system and learn about the different parts of this human body that help us to digest food and also help us to remove or expel the excessive food that is undigested. So I'm going to first add an image. I've given you this template. You can add it as a layer in your drawing tool, or you can print it out and start drawing on top of it with your sketches. What you can do is you can print it out and keep another blank paper on top. So when your artwork is finished, when you finish drawing the digestive system, you can throw this paper away and you just have the digestive system. Here, because I'm doing it digitally, I can make it lighter if I want. So when you put another piece of paper on top, this is how it will be. Anyway, I'm going to start drawing this one. So the digestive system, it starts with the mouth. I'm going to start using these warmish colors here. So digestive system starts with the mouth here. And I'm just going to do this in straight lines. You can see you can either try to make a curve like this, but when you're learning drawing, it becomes difficult to get things accurate. So you just do things in a straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, and come down in a straight line. So I just made this with straight lines. If you want, you can, if you wish, try and make the outline of the body as well. So just so that I don't interfere with it, I'll do it on a different layer. And again, I'm going to make that with straight lines. You can see straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. I mean, you can try to draw the curves, but what happens is when you're learning drawing, you quite often go wrong, and straight lines work better when you're learning. Because at the end of the day, a circle is nothing but 30 or 40 straight lines. And some of you who do a bit of 3D geometry would know that. So that will just make your diagram look much better. So I have drawn the mouth and I've drawn the food pipe, the esophagus. When food enters the mouth, the digestion process starts. In fact, even before food enters the mouth, there's a phrase called your mouth starts watering when you look at food. What happens is the salivary glands, they start releasing saliva, which prepares to digest the food. These salivary glands make the food soft and make it easier for the body to swallow it down or push it down this food pipe. So as it comes down, I'm just using different colors here to show the different parts. Now you'll see there are two circles here. That's because the stomach is like this. So if you go here and take it like this and like this, the stomach is something like this. I've given these two circles as a reference. Now next to this here is the liver. The liver and this gallbladder, which actually holds what the liver secretes, the bile. It holds it and releases it into the stomach, you see. Actually just the beginning of the intestine. All of these things, saliva, the bile, all of these things help in digestion of food, in breaking down the food. And this whole system has got valves which prevent the food from coming back. Just to make it look rounded, I'm just sort of stroking a bit of these side things. So now from here, there are several folds. You can see I'm just going curly, 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 wriggly, wriggly. They go all over inside each other, these wriggles. This is the small intestine. The small intestine connects to the large intestine. These are the colons. This is the ascending colon, and then you have the descending colon. The way to draw it is squiggly, 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 and then this is the rectum, and the food passes out of the body. So that is the digestive system. Mouth, salivary glands, food pipe, esophagus, stomach, liver, bile, small intestine, large intestine. Let's just label them. So I have the mouth, salivary glands, the food pipe, the liver, the gallbladder, the stomach, the small intestine, depending on what country you stay in, the large intestine, and that's enough to understand the basic digestive system. I will label these parts and save the image for you to see. So, in fact, we can start doing it now. I might just use the text tool. Yep, I'll fix that. And finally, the large intestine and the small intestine. And I'll just try and hide these. And there you go, that's the digestive system. A short, sweet lesson on the digestive system, and I will end this lesson here.